Hi guys, and welcome to another Divi Theme video. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, Divi's just released another major update today, and they've made some huge additions to their icon list. They've also added a brand new module. They've added all the icons from the fantastic Font Awesome set, and you'll recognize a lot of these. You see them around an awful lot. And if you watch any of my other Bootstrap or Elementor videos, you will have seen me use them there. So let's get started and take a look. I'm going to enable the Visual Builder. Let's just go to the dashboard a minute. And I'm using version 4.13. And this is the first release that will have this new icon set. So make sure that you upgrade to 4.13. Okay, well, let's go back. We should have our builder enabled there. Let's just go down. Well, do it right here. Let's create another section. Regular section. Let's pop in a row of 3. I've got 3 above. And if we roll down here, Divi comes with all these light grey modules as standard. But if we roll down, there's a new one, icon. If I keep rolling, you'll see how many there are. Plenty enough to build just about any site. And if you've got WooCommerce installed, it'll give you an extra dozen also to display your products. So here's the icon module. I'm going to click on that. And here it is. It opens up. And initially it doesn't look any different, but you've got a little button up here to expand it. If you click on this button, it shows you all of the icons, including all of the new icons, and there's plenty of them. That's a great addition, having the little view like that. But you can also filter, show only Font Awesome or Divi or Line or Solid, and it'll filter them out for you. And as you scroll down, you'll notice it expands as you go further down. There is just a huge amount of icons here, and there's some really great ones, and I've used Font Awesome before. It is fantastic. And the great thing about this, if you decide you're not going to be using the Font Awesome, you're just going to use the Divi icons, then the Font Awesomes won't be loaded, and that will save you a lot of page load time and site speed. You can also search for icons as usual. And let's pop one in. There we go. Everything else is pretty much exactly the same. But there are some huge additions there. And of course you can go into the design and size it, make it whatever color you want. But of course, not only have they got the new module right here, any existing modules that use icons, such as a blurb, you've got that new icon list there as well. Let's have a look at one of our blurb modules here. I'll leave the text just as it is, image and icon. I'm going to say use icon, and we're presented with the same thing again. Put in whatever icon you want. Let's move that out of the way so you can see. And of course you can do all the same things style wise as you can do anywhere else. So that's it really, guys. That is a fantastic new update for Divi. There really are some great icons here, and I've done videos in the past of how to load Font Awesome into Divi, which is pretty easy, but there's absolutely no need to. And as you can see, there are literally hundreds to choose from. One thing I haven't mentioned is that just reminded me, seeing Wix and social media here, it's also, let's just get rid of this, going to affect the social media icons. Social media shares, if we go and find some of those. There's the social media follow. Let's add a new social network. And they've added a whole bunch more networks here as well to choose from your social network list. So like I say, that really has been a major upgrade. So there you go, guys. There's a look at the new icon module and the new updated icon list for the Divi theme. That really is a fantastic update. So I hope you've enjoyed this today and found it useful. If you have, please give it a thumbs up, ring the bell, comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Once again, this has been Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.